Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we will show you how to remove and replace that wing spoiler on a Ford Focus MK3, guys. It should be the same for the ST as well. This is a hatchback, regular 2.0 engine. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do that now. There is a few hidden bolts here and there, so you know what to expect. It's pretty simple, it won't take you too long. And check out our main channel, World Mechanics. It's growing crazy fast, and thank you for the support, guys. So what we need to do, guys, we need to take a T20, okay, leave that thing little bitty, start looking too, and we need to remove these two screws on the side. Just be careful with those, they go pretty easy, okay, and you can see, you think that that's the only thing holding the spoiler, but it's not. So we need to go there on this side, and we need to do the same thing to those right here, these two. And we still have more to do after that, okay, because you can see it's stuck, it doesn't come off. Now you need to get a prying tool and you need to remove that cover. Don't use a screwdriver, you will damage it. Prying tool is better, and if you grab it, wow, it's flying everywhere. And those are, guys, the clips. You can see where the clips are, so you know what to expect, okay, like that. And now with a 10 millimeter socket, we need to remove 3 bolts. Okay, one is there, one over there, and one on the side there. So you think you're done, guys, but there is more to it. You need to grab it now, both hands, hold it really firm, and you need to pull up. There is 3 clips. Once we remove it again, we'll show you exactly where those things are. Okay, be careful how you pull, because we have the wires now, and we also have the washer fluid line here, so we need to remove that one. So that washer fluid line, usually you can just pull that thing out. Okay, it's pretty tight though, you need to make sure you don't break it. Okay, that's how it comes apart. And the only thing that we have now is the wires, and probably the easiest thing to do, okay, will be to remove the light first. So should have done that first, but we forgot about that wire. So you know, guys, it's better to watch a video and know what not to do, so you can make your life a little bit easier. Okay, you can pull it out, and now that's where the wire is. You just push down, and the spoiler, as you can see, is out of there, guys. Okay, you can see, pretty simple. So they sell those kits that you can put spacers right here and make it, make it a little bit open, which is pretty good, and it gets the water out of it when you wash it easy. So you just put it back together, guys, the same way we took it apart. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.